guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 3. It is about 10 o'clock and I am up. First things first, I got my hair done. This is my hair. I do need to like wand curl the piece back here, but I'm not gonna do it. I'll do it tomorrow. But yeah, if you guys follow me on Snapchat, you already seen it. This is just Brazilian straight. I have an 18, 20, and 22 and a 14-inch closure. I dyed it and my stylist wand curled it. And this is hair from my hair collection. So if you guys want to check this out, the links are always down in the description box. So yeah. Second thing, I don't have a Vlogmas day 2 up because I was editing it yesterday and well last night, and before it could finish importing, my memory card, I don't know if it came out or if something just happened, but it ejected before the files finished importing, so the files got corrupted, and I still haven't figured out how to fix that situation yet. So unfortunately I don't have a Vlogmas day 2, so we're just gonna skip that and go right to Vlogmas day 3. So yeah, I'm really like enjoying my hair. I love it so much. I'm loving these wand curls and this color. Like I said, it didn't come out the color that I wanted it to, but I'm enjoying this color. So let me fill you in on what happened yesterday since there isn't a vlog. So pretty much I went to my meeting and then I ended up going to the library to try to print out the shipping labels to send the giveaway prizes out. The printer was down and none of the printers were working in the library. They were trying to fix them while I was there, and then I ended up getting a weather alert saying that we had a tornado watch. So I decided to go ahead and come on home, and then I came home and I ended up getting the weather alert for a tornado warning. So that happened. So I'm excuse me, I'm trying to take my hair down because I had a hair appointment at 5:30 and then the tornado sirens go off. So me and my dog had to go in the bathroom and take cover. And then after the sirens went off, mind you, I'm still trying to take my hair down. After the sirens went off, I was able to finish taking my hair down and wash it and like get it detangled and everything before my hair appointment. So my hair appointment was at 5:30. Got there about 5:45 and she didn't start till about 6, and then she finished at like 9:30. And then I came home, had to take care of my dog, and then I was supposed to go to a friend's house to do homework, but I ended up falling asleep. So here we are now. Hello, hi, good morning. So right now I'm about to take my dog out, and then I'm gonna run to Dunkin' Donuts and get a coffee and some hash browns. And then I'm supposed to be doing my homework with a friend later on today as well. But once I come back from Dunkin' Donuts, I need to plan out my day and plan out everything that I need to get done. And then I'm gonna tackle some work before I go hang out with her. So yeah, I just want to come on and start Vlogmas day 3. I'm sorry that I missed Vlogmas day 2, but if any of you know how to fix corrupted files, please comment down below and let me know, because if the memory card wasn't in the computer, the files were like inaccessible. Like it just had, like, I use iMovie and the files had like question marks on them and it said like memory card missing, and it wouldn't let me like export it or anything like that. So if you guys know how to fix that, let me know down in the comments. But yeah, I'm gonna run take my dog out so that I can go to Dunkin' Donuts, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Y'all, I come outside and it's raining. I wasn't ready. Gosh. Yeah, we're headed to Dunkin' Donuts. It's a little cold. I mean, it's 40 degrees, which is still cold, but like at least it's not like freezing cold. So okay guys, right now it's 11 o'clock and I'm just drinking my coffee. My vlog camera battery is about to die again, so I am about to clean up a little bit while this charges, and then we're gonna get to work. So yeah, I just wanted to come back in and check in with you guys. I've ate my food and all of that. So yeah, I'm about to clean up my kitchen. I have a bunch of crap on my table right here. Get that cleaned off. And I have clothes over here that needs to be put up, and I have a bunch of clothes that are on my bed. I need to change my sheets and my comforter. I got a new throw blanket that I want to show you guys. So yeah, we have a bunch of cleaning up to do, so I want to try to hurry up and get this stuff done so that I can start on my homework. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay guys, it is a little bit after 3. I just made sure that I planned out everything that I need to finish by the end of the night. I'm about to take my dog out again, and then my friend is going to come over so that we can get some homework done, and then I set some food out to cook, so I'm going to do that later. And then yeah, that's the plan for the rest of the day. I ended up taking like a little nap. It wasn't a nap because I wasn't in a deep sleep. Like I kind of opened my eyes every 15 minutes, but it was a nap in the sense that I actually closed my eyes. So yeah, so I'm gonna take my dog out really quick, and then my friend is gonna come over and we're gonna get some work done, and then I'm gonna cook dinner, and I don't know what else I have planned. I need to put up my Christmas tree still. So I have to do that sometime this week. I need to figure out when I'm going to do that, and I need to buy Christmas ornaments. I may just have my parents like mail me some, because I know they have a lot at home, and that would be so much easier than having to go to Walmart, because it's the week before finals and I really need to grind and get started studying for all my finals. So that way when finals week come, I'm not stressing. I want to give myself a week in advance to study for all my finals. So yeah, I may go to the library later on depending on how long my friend stays. I may not, because I have to print a bunch of stuff out, and I still need to print out those shipping labels. And even though I can't mail the stuff out, well, I could take it to the post office, but I'm gonna take it tomorrow, probably after my second law class. I don't know yet, but I still need to get the shipping labels printed out, and it'll probably be easy for me to print them out tonight and just have them already ready for in the morning. So I may go to the library later because the library closes at midnight. So, and I need to get like study guides and stuff printed out. So, yeah. So let me go ahead and take my dog out really quick. My friend will probably be here in a little bit, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. What is up, you guys? It is a whole lot later. There's probably a bunch of noise in the background. I am frying some fish. My dog is drinking her water. I have the fan on because I'm frying something. So it's about 8 o'clock. My friend left about 15 minutes ago. So we did get a lot of work done. I didn't want to vlog just because I didn't want to just throw her on the camera like that. But yeah, so we got a bunch of work done. I still have a lot of work left to do. I'll probably be up relatively late tonight, and I also still have to edit this vlog. So yeah, like I said, right now I'm just frying some catfish fillets. So that's what's going on right now. And then while I eat, I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos. But I'm doing my essay assignment for my Psych and the Law class, and the question that I'm working on is all about like pre-trial publicity. So yeah, that's what we have going on right now. I wanted to come back and check in with you guys because I haven't talked to you for a minute. But yeah, like I said, my friend just left, and I didn't just want to put her on the camera because not everyone likes to be on the camera. So yeah, I'm gonna finish cooking. Once this batch of fish is done, I have another batch, and then I'll be done for the night. I normally would have cooked something else with it, but like it's pretty late, so I didn't mean to cook this late. It just happened. So yeah, I need to flip this over, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back working on my essay assignment for Psych and the Law, but I keep checking my phone. So I'm about to use the Flora app. So basically all you do is you like set a time. So I'm gonna do 1 hour, or well, 50 minutes. And then if you use your phone before then, you can set a price, but I'm not going to do that. And then you just hit start. And then if you want to cancel and use your phone and you hit give up, that's what it tells you. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and see how much I can get done in an hour on this, because I have some other stuff that I want to work on. I have a quiz due at midnight, so I need to get that done as well. And then I'll probably come back to this. But yeah, like I said, I want to work on this for about an hour. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and show you guys how I use that app, because I've mentioned it before, but I don't think I've ever showed you guys it. So yeah. take it. I'm not even gonna try again. I will take this. What is up, you guys? It is 1:30, and I know you're probably like, what are you doing? Well, I know you probably see the mess behind me, but I'm about to clean my room. I have a bunch of clothes that I need to put up, and I also need to change my bedding. So we're about to do that, and then after I do that, I'm gonna shower and we're gonna get in the bed. So let's get to cleaning. I have all of these clothes to put up. We're gonna get these clothes put up and get some stuff off the floor and change my bedding, and yeah, so let's get her done. Okay, you guys remembered I wanted to show you the throw blanket, so this is it. This lighting doesn't do it justice, oh my gosh, but it's just like this pink color, and it is so furry, you guys. I love it so much. Like, it is amazing. Okay, guys, right now it is 2:13 and I am done cleaning my room, so I'm about to shower and head to bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, and I will see you guys in the morning for Vlogmas day 4.